Hi there, welcome to my channel. This is Class Master the Barber. Today I will be teaching you step by step how to do a trendy and stylish haircut from the comfort of your own home. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this tutorial will help you to achieve the perfect haircut in no time. Let's get started. Hi there, today my boy is in focus. Actually, he wanted a mohawk with a boss fade. So today I will be doing a super boss fade for this haircut. First, I will begin by setting in my first guideline just above the earline as I create a slight curve design. Next is to remove all the cut-off hair underneath the guideline I have just created. Guide, I set the lever at 3/4 position to create a full edge guideline. Next, after that is done, I grab 0.5 guard. The lever is still at 3/4 position as I continue to work my way to create a transition between the skin line to 1.5 guard. I continue the same process using only my clipper with no guard, manipulating the clipper lever to take out any dark spot along the skin line. I switch back in to 1.5 guard, but this time the lever is at full lever position and make another full edge guideline. get a quick clean up at the top and to make sure that the hair shape is as right as even. Now that I have laid down all my steps for this haircut, at this time I will be switching back and forth with different guards to bring this haircut to a professional look. Guidelines are very important to any fading process, so if you really want to stay on top of the game and maintain a consistent fading process, you need to build a guideline strategy that will help you in your professional skill.